Hey. Welcome. Y'all already know for what? A quick little video. Alright, so where do we start and who shall we talk about today? Rather tonight, because it's actually nighttime. Let's see. Olivia. Hey Liv, hey girl, hey boss lady, hey little butterfly. Yeah. Now Liv, I gotta say, you you have been throwing me off so much. Because Liv, alright, so I seen your little live that you did. You know, you had your little boo sitting, right in front of you and you were laying down. Don't get it twisted, Liv. At first, you and him had me a little bit scared. First, it was just you, and then when he came in, I said, oh shit. I said, is that Liv Boo? But that wasn't the thing I was worrying about too much. I was worrying about all of that weight when it came to you and it came to him, and you get what I'm saying, and they your children's bed. I was like, this is not going to go good. These beds are getting ready to be on the floor, just like those beds that Jasmine, subscriber, got her kids. But no, y'all was good. But Liv, let me tell you something too. Anytime where you feel down or you feel upset or you feel sad or you feel that you're not where you need to be, all you gotta do, baby, is run your little butterfly legs right head on over there to Jasmine's and sit inside one of her lives or look at one of her videos. I can guarantee you will feel like Liv. You want to take all your clothes off and run through the streets of Texas naked. Yes, you will. Because right now, Jasmine is in the lead to being YouTube's first CPS queen. Yes, she is. Out of all the people on YouTube, I have no idea why she is the only one that gets them calls over and over and over. But you know what? We're going to go ahead and get off of that because we talking about Big Liv over here, Big Butterfly boss over here. Yeah. All right. So Liv, yes, I was like, okay, well, good. At least, you know what I mean? That didn't break, the bed. You get what I'm saying? Don't throw no shade, because if it was you in the bed and I was sitting right there where he was sitting at too, I would say, yeah, me and you together, yeah, I would have still felt the same way. So I ain't trying to, throw nothing at your weight, because you already know. I mean, it is what it is. All right, over here. But the thing about me is I literally don't give a shit. And you say you don't as well. And Liv, you seem to not give a shit, because I say a lot of times when you post a picture and it comes through my phone as a notification, I ain't gonna lie, Liv, I get scared as shit. I be like this. God, please let this girl not have that romper on. Dear Lord, please let this girl not have that black shirt on that she had on in the Ross and Target haul. Dear God, please not let me see those boots that her mother had on in the wedding. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you, right? So the thing that got me, Liv, is that at one moment, okay, this is how I really feel, Liv. And I mean, just my thoughts and just my opinions. I think that you like Brandon, but for some reason, I feel as though you are not quite ready to let your heart go to him, because of the simple fact, Liv, baby, a woman knows when another woman still has her ex, which is her husband, still on her heart. And I mean, I'm sorry, I see that in you, Liv. I mean, I understand or whatever, but you know, if this is your way of breaking, you get what I'm saying, then I mean, it is what it is. You have to try it. But yeah, that's what I see. But yeah, you have just been real crazy. I seen that, you know, your mom has been over there being, you know, super nanny. Yeah, she has. And you have been out here in the Texas streets going a little wild. You have not been going real crazy. Don't get it twisted. I ain't gonna say that on you, whatever. But you've been having a little bit of fun. And I get it, Liv. I get it. I totally get it. All right, but Liv. Wait a minute, y'all. I'm sorry. People think it's like Friday night, and you get what I'm saying, that I'm getting ready to be running the streets. All right, going to eat food and stuff like that. No, I'm not doing it. And then my other girlfriend, she want to go ahead and go to Walmart. And let me tell you something. I mean, she literally had me in Walmart sometimes at 2 o'clock in the morning, and we're walking around the Walmart over and over looking for the same thing twice, because she'll get it in one color, then be like, oh no, I don't want that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do a video with my girlfriend so you can see it. And y'all, you know what I mean? You're like, y'all keep thinking like it's me and like I'm funny or whatever. No, this is not me being funny. This is how I actually am all the time. But my friends, yeah, they definitely a little bit crazy. Yeah, I mean they are, and I mean they know it. That's why I love them, because you know. But anyway, yeah. So what got me, you know, was the fact that I happened to go ahead and, you know, turn my phone on and look at your video, and the shit blew the shit out of me, Liv. I'm gonna put it in, you know, this video so y'all can see it. But Liv, you were sitting inside of the big boy Benz, because you know that's your big boy Benz. You were sitting inside, and basically you were looking like you had a couple drinks, as always. And my thing too, Liv, is that, Liv, when you be doing all this drinking that you do, and you get in your house and I can in your apartment, and I can clearly see that, you get what I'm saying, that you are totally shit-faced, girl, you better be careful driving, because you might get yourself into something that you cannot get yourself out of. And that's for real. Like you say, on baby, yeah, on baby, big dot. Yeah, the day your little sayings. I mean, I'm just saying. So, you were in your, in the car, whatever. You had the light on, you turned the light off, you said that, you know, you was looking crazy. So you kept taking us through the transition of that, turn it on, turn it off, pull down the visor, put it back up. You in your pocketbook talking about, oh my God, my stomach hurts, oh my God, my head hurts, oh my God. I know I had to get a BC from that dude. Where is it at? Where is it at? Did I put it in here? Is it in my pocketbook? Yeah, y'all, I just had to come to y'all because, you know, I need y'all really to cheer me up. Like, I really, like, need to talk to y'all. And I know, like, if I come on here, you know, that would be the best for me, because I know that you guys will bring me out of that. Oh my God, where is it? I know I had to have a BC. Where is it? I had got a BC from that dude. I know I did. Oh my gosh. I am so dumb. I am so stupid. I am so stupid. So stupid. Oh, here's my glue. I found my glue and I was looking for my glue. I'm stupid. Maybe I will die being stupid. I mean, Brandon, I cursed him out. I cursed him out. I am so stupid. I'm stupid. I mean, Brandon, I cursed him out. I don't know if Brandon is ever going to even talk to me again. I know my neighbors are looking like through my car, wondering what the hell I am doing in here. Let me turn this light off. I'm stupid. Like I said, I don't know if, I will die being stupid. I mean, I have been drinking water. I've been drinking water all day. I'm so stupid. I don't know. I'm just stupid. I've been so mean to everyone because I've just been really mean to everyone. I'm just stupid. Where is my BC? I know that I had a BC. Where is it? Where's my BC? Ugh! My stomach and my head are killing me. I've been drinking water all day. When will I learn? When will I learn? When? Liv, what the fuck was you doing? What the fuck was you doing right there? That was another little skit that you did. And you was completely shit-faced. Which means, like I said, I think you drove your car home like that. See, Liv, you strike me as one of these type of people. You are the type that'll go ahead and get drunk, come in the house at like 2 o'clock in the morning, and wake everybody up. Everybody up. All right? You in there waking your kids up. You get what I'm saying? You probably go ahead and wake Ryan up and Robin talking about you get ready to do their hair. And you know damn well... And you know damn well you are not getting ready to touch a hair on that beautiful little head. You know? But yeah, Liv, I mean, so I noticed that Brandon, yeah, he seems like a little bit like he can get you whipped into shape. Yes, he do. All right. But as the look of the back of him, and as he sounds, I gotta say, Liv, he definitely gives me the Gerard vibe. Definitely. And I'm pretty sure I am not the only one that has said that. But yes, he gives me that type of Gerard vibe. All I gotta say, Liv, if you happy, then girl, we are happy, because if you like it, I love it. But Liv, please don't mess this one up, Liv. Don't get yourself into something that you cannot get yourself out of. All right. Not only that, but what I'm going to say to you too, Liv, please don't play the field back and forth. All right. Because you don't know if Brandon is the one who has stepped into your life as well and will beat the brakes off of Gerard. As well as have you take back your truck, because I'm pretty sure he does not know all of that. But I mean, it is what it is. Do I think, because I've been asked this, if you will get pregnant by Brandon? And I'm going to say no. The reason why I say that is because, Liv, when I look at you, you look like a hopeless romantic. So each day you may be with Brandon, you may develop more and more feelings for Brandon, but it is what it is. You want to have all your kids by Gerard. And if they are not by Gerard, you don't want any kids because of the simple fact you are hoping that he's going to come running back to you, and you do not want it to be, oh, well, I will get back with you, but you know, you got a kid by such and such. See, Liv, like I said, girl, you gotta learn to play these streets. All right. And that is the part where I think that you don't quite know, you get me, how to play these streets. But, you know, I mean, it is what it is, and it's something that will come to you. But it's good to see you with a smile on your face and all of that, you know, stuff or whatever. But yeah, only thing I can say, Liv, is please, don't you dare come back on this camera again talking about you've been drinking water all day and you're stupid. You're stupid. You're stupid. Please, girl, don't do it. With that being said, y'all, I am going to see you guys in the next video. Later.